How to fix Android not charging problem. So if your Android phone is not charging and if you're facing a problem on your Android, then here are some fixes. So the first one is make sure that your charger is plugged in properly, because if your charger is not plugged in properly, then you may face some kind of problems. So first, check your charger. You can just simply remove the charger and again insert it and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is if you have a dirty charging port, then you might find this kind of problem. So just simply take a cloth and remove any dirt or debris that you have on your charging port. So if you have any dirt, then it can coat the receptors inside the charging port and stop your charger from working. You can clean out the inside of your Android's charging port with a cotton swab or a toothpick. But anything made of metal is not recommended, like a paper clip. Don't use paper clip. And make sure that your charger is also cleaned. And once you've cleaned both of them, just go with your charger and it might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to change your charger, because if you have a problem with your charger, then replacing your charger might work. And the next one you can do is you can just go and reboot your Android device. So you just need to simply go and restart or reboot, and after restarting, then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then the last solution is you need to contact your device manufacturer. You can get in touch with the manufacturer customer support team to get assistance with your device and any necessary repairs. So that's everything you need to know. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.